Guys, okay, here we go. So I was at this point where I had set my field mappings. Just waiting. Okay, so I was checking that these all matched up. If you find that there is something missing, so for example, if I had something here and there wasn't, if it had unknown or choose a column, it means something is missing, or you haven't matched up the name exactly right. So you need to go back and check that everything here is exactly the way you want it, or you'll have a problem later. Step 5 in the autoCrat process is I need to name my document. I need to tell it what I want to do with these. So I want to save my files into Google Doc, and it says, well, where do you want to put them? And I want to put them in my grade 7 folder, because it's my grade 7 class. And it says, well, how do you want to name them? And it remembers the name I had last time. So I'm going to put in here grade 7 movement composition. And I want to make sure I've got the correct. Now what it's doing is it's going to pull the child's name and put them here. So every document it creates will be individual because it will be using the kid's name as a reference point. It tells me, what do I want to do? Do I want to create a Google document? I don't want to, because I don't want them to be able to edit it. So I'm going to choose a PDF. Do I want to email these? No. Have I got a form sending information? So if I've set up a Google form, then every time someone enters information into that form, I can have them send out something to them. And I don't want to do that for this particular type of assessment. So once I'm happy with this, I've got the right file name, and here, then I can save. Waiting. And now step 6, it says, do you want to have a look? This can be quite slow. You need to be careful and you need to wait. It says, do you want to preview? Do you want to do the whole thing, or just wait for now? I want to see the first row, okay? And I'm actually going to have a bit of a problem because my first row doesn't have anything in it, but I just want to check how it goes. So I'm going to say, please run the first row, and it says yes. And what should happen is when I now go to the folder where I've asked them to save, which I'll do in a minute, I should be able to find my information. So hope I get this before we run out of time. Yes. It says it's done it, and this little column here that it created tells me now that I have finished.